We had Bled Lake.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget.
So, hey guys, and welcome to Bled Lake in Slovenia. So today I want to show you a short tour in this Lake Bled in Slovenia. And there you can see the Bled Island in the middle with the church on top. And there's the city of Bled. There's a path that leads around Bled Lake, and it takes, it's about 6 kilometers. So 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours, if you walk slowly like me. Nice Zlatorog villa from 1896. It was built, yeah. And one of the many views you can find around Bled Lake in Slovenia, in this Alpine lake. And there's the path. And a nice view of Bled Island with the church on top of it, and 101 steps, stone steps lead to it. Of course, you have to take a boat to get there. You can either rent one, I think 1 hour is 20 euros, or you can take a typical Pletna boat from the shore from Bled town. And I don't know the price for that, guys, sorry. And yet another view of Bled Island, and behind the mountain is called Old Hag's Tooth. And this is the place in Mala Zaka, where you can rent boats for 1 hour, 20 euros, and then you can paddle your boat to the lake up there and back. And just close to here, there's a public beach called Mala Zaka, where you can swim for free. There in the distance, you can see the piers where you can sit, enjoy the sun, or just take a swim until end of September. From June, you can swim in the lake. It's warm enough, believe me, guys. A little stream that flows into the lake, Bled Lake. And here on the other side of the stream, you can see a mini waterfall there, where the water is coming from. And the path around the lake. So I'm walking now towards Malazaka Public Beach and Piers, and also the boats, the professional rowing boats, they do their exercises here. Well, now they're drying, but otherwise you can see professional rowing boats there in the lake. And here are the piers, up and close, with a nice view of the island, Bled Island. There are many peaceful places like this where you can just relax and enjoy the Bled's beauty, the beauty of the lake, the beauty of the color. And yeah, this Alpine lake is truly unique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. You can also find some nice churches along the path around Bled Lake. This is close to Bled town, so maybe it's just on the beginning of your way. Be sure to look for it. And the park, also close to the town, just in front of church. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I've saved the best for the last. Let's see. And we finished the video with Bled Castle.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.